Meron ako ditong malaking puzzle box, but this is very unique kasi sa loob na to, yung puzzle box niya, it's made of Lego. And this is made by Andrew Parr. Ang laki nito, oh. This is called Grand Pass Gramophone. And papakita namin sa inyo. Ganito kalaki yung inabot ng more than 1,400 Lego puzzle pieces, di ba? At share ko na rin sa inyo, itong Lego puzzle box na to was hand-assembled by Andrew Parr sa Canada. And it took him 2 months para ma-assemble at para mapakita na ganun kakomplikado yung puzzle sa loob nito. Inside the set, you have the handling instructions, may introduction, and meron rin reset plus the solution. Sa taas, may makikita kang plaka or the vinyl record, and you have the needle here. Sa sides, may makikita kang volume and the RPM. Tapos sa sides, may mga knobs na pwede mong makrank. And on this side, you have the Lego Nerd Puzzles na label. On this side, you have a hole here. I don't know para saan yan. And parang meron siyang movable part dito, di ba? And at the bottom, you have the Lego na itsura sa bottom niya. And I don't think na meron siyang puzzle sa ilalim. So, bigyan nyo kami ng few days or few weeks. So, we'll figure it out kung paano to buksan without looking at the solution sheet. And once we have figured this out at na-solve na namin siya, we'll share it with you kung anong meron. Yun lang.